welcome back to our channel TSNet Made Easy. In today's video, I'm going to discuss new MA admission or selection procedure. TS has made some changes in the admission procedure. In the last video, I talked about TSNet, TSMAT and OPI. And today I'll be talking about new TSMAT format. As you all know, candidates applying for two programs, that is MA HRM and LR and MA ODCL, has to give TSMAT from the last year. But before we study the new format, let's have a look at the old one. In 2020 pattern, in the first stage, you had to give TSNet and TSMAT. TSNet was qualifying, and in the second stage, you had PIT and PI, that is pre-interview test and personal interview. TSNet qualifying था, उसका स्कोर काउंट नहीं होता था. Your final selection was done on TSMAT, PIT and PI score. आपका फाइनल सिलेक्शन TSMAT, PIT एंड PI के स्कोर पे होता था. TSMAT को 30% वेटेज था, PIT को 40% वेटेज था और PI को 30% वेटेज था. And this year, new selection procedure for TSMAT is divided into two stages. In the first stage, you have TSNet, which is of 100 marks, and 30% weightage is given to TSNet. लास्ट ईयर TSNet क्वालिफाइंग था, लेकिन इस साल TSNet को 30% वेटेज दिया गया है. And these 100 marks will be divided into three sections, where GA section will have sectional cutoff as the old pattern. And in the second stage, you will have TSMAT and OPI. TSMAT will be of 50 marks and 40% weightage is given to TSMAT, and OPI will be of 100 marks and 30% weightage is given to OPI. TSMAT is for two programs, that is MA HRM and MA ODCL. तो बाकी कोर्सेज के लिए TSMAT होगा. Please make a note of this thing, guys. TSMAT will be conducted only for those candidates who are shortlisted for stage 2. Yes, you heard me right. पहले क्या होता था, TSNet के तुरंत बाद TSMAT होता था, लेकिन इस बार TSNet होगा अगर आपने TSNet क्वालिफाई किया. अगर आप एलिजिबल है सेकंड स्टेज के लिए, तभी आपका TSMAT का एग्ज़ाम होगा, वरना नहीं होगा. And once you are done with TSMAT, OPI will be conducted. But if anyway you fail to attend TSMAT, you can't attend OPI. You have to attend TSMAT. Otherwise, आपका सिलेक्शन प्रोसीजर नहीं होगा. Now let's study difference between basic structure of TSMAT 2020 and TSMAT 2021. तो TSMAT के एग्ज़ाम को 3 सेक्शंस में डिवाइड किया गया था: कॉम्प्रेंशन, मैनेजमेंट डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन एंड बिजनेस अवेयरनेस. तो इन 3 सेक्शंस में 15 क्वेश्चंस होते थे फॉर 15 मार्क्स, विच मेक्स द टोटल ऑफ 45 मार्क्स. एंड सेक्शनल कट ऑफ नहीं होता था. एंड प्रिपरेशन लेवल की बात करें तो ग्रेजुएशन लेवल तक आपको प्रिपेयर करना होता था. एंड नेगेटिव मार्किंग की बात करें तो TSMAT में तभी भी नेगेटिव मार्किंग था और अब भी है. Each correct answer will fetch you 1 mark and each wrong answer will result into 0.25 negative marks. So I hope I'm clear, guys. तो इस साल क्या चेंजेस हुए वो देखते हैं. Basic structure of TSMAT 2021 will be like this. This time TSMAT will be a combination of computer based MCQ questions and descriptive writing for a duration of 45 minutes. 50 मार्क्स होंगे और आपको वो सवाल 45 मिनट्स में कंप्लीट करने होंगे. सो 3 सेक्शंस विल बी द सेम, दैट इज़ कॉम्प्रेंशन, मैनेजमेंट डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन एंड बिजनेस अवेयरनेस. जो सेक्शन ऐड हुआ है दैट इज़ डिस्क्रिप्टिव राइटिंग. सो आपको कॉम्प्रेंशन में 10 सवाल होंगे फॉर 10 मार्क्स. यू विल हैव 15 क्वेश्चंस फॉर 15 मार्क्स इन मैनेजमेंट डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन, and in the third section, that is business awareness, you will have 10 questions for 10 marks. And in the last section, that is descriptive writing, you will have one question for 15 marks. sectional cut off नहीं है, same as the old pattern, and graduation level तक आपको prepare करना होता है. The aim behind introducing these sections in that exam is to know your knowledge about business. So comprehension will assess your ability to read and understand management literature. Management data interpretation will assess your ability to read and interpret data related to economy, business, and organization. Business awareness will assess your awareness and familiarity with business knowledge, and descriptive writing is introduced to know your thought process, and you will have questions or topics will be on social, economic, political, business related issues. I hope you like the video. Please share with your friends if you find this video useful, and subscribe to our channel, and you can follow us on Instagram and Telegram also. I'll put the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.